Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a group called Why Don't We? And we had Why Don't We here before in Gordon Guitar. A song called Love Back, I believe. Perhaps a couple other songs as well. This time the song is called Just Friends. So a great song and very uplifting like it usually is with Why Don't We? So we have 4 different chords to handle in this song, and it goes in the same chord progression through the entire song. So let's start. No need for any cape on this one. And we'll start with the chords. First, F. So you need to put a bar here on the first fret, all strings. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Then we have A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so we have the chord progression F, A minor, G, then C, G, F. And that will be what we need for this song from the beginning till the end. So F, A minor, G, C, G, F. And we have a strumming pattern that will go in the same way from F, A minor, G. And you will play in the same way for C, G, and F. Okay, so let's look at the first 3 chords. So for the F, you will play down, up, down, up. Okay, so and then you switch to A minor and you just land on 1 down. And then you shift to G and you play down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so down, up 4 times, and then 1 extra down. Okay, so that will be. Alright, so that is the first half. So to repeat, F, down, up, and then A minor, down, and then G, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up 4 times, and then extra down. And that is 1 round, and then you play the same pattern but for different chords. This time you play C in the same way as you play F. So down, up, and then you shift to G and play in the same way as for A minor, just 1 down. And then you play the final F in the same way as you played the G, 4 down ups plus a down. So I'm gonna take you through this a little bit slower. So let's start from an F and go on with A minor, G, C, G, F. Okay. So that is 1 chord progression. So F, A minor, G, C, G, F, and again, F, and so on. And that is really what you need for Why Don't We? Just Friends. So good luck with this one, guys, and I hope to see you soon. Play tuned.